Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Join me today as I make crispy potato chips. And please don't forget to watch this video till the end. So I'm going to start now without wasting much time. So here I have my well cleaned Irish potato. I'm going to go ahead to start peeling off the back. And guys, always remember to wash your potato before peeling them to avoid having sand in your chips or any recipe which you are making with the potato. And please, my amazing viewers, do support my channel by sending me super thanks or super sticker. So this is my potato after peeling and washing them again for the second time. Next, I'm going to go ahead to use my grater to grate the potato. You can also use your kitchen knife to slice your potato, but the best way is to use a grater. It's very easy and fast. So I'm going to continue repeating the same process until I finish all the potato which I have here. And also make sure you are careful to avoid hurting your fingernail. So guys, can you see how flat my potato chips look like after I'm done grating it? So next I'm going to go ahead to wash my potato again, and after that I'll go ahead to pour cold water in it. Then I'll also add some salt as well. After that I'll mix everything together. Then I'll set it aside and allow it to rest for about 1 hour. Next, I'm going to spread a kitchen towel on my chopping board, or you can spread it on any flat surface. Then I'll go ahead to start spreading my potato chips on it. And also make sure you do not overcrowd your potato on the chopping board. And one more thing guys, you can as well sun dry your potato before frying them, but for I'm not going to be doing so. So next I'm going to be using my kitchen towel to pat dry my potato, and after that I'll set them aside and repeat the same process with the remaining potato chips which I have here. So next I'm going to go ahead to place an empty dried frying pan on the heat, add some vegetable oil and allow it to heat up. And after that I'll pack some of the potato chips which I've already dried. Then I'll add them in my frying pan, use my spatula to separate them, and after that I will allow it to fry. So a few minutes later I'm going to go ahead to use my spatula to stir my chips to make sure that I fry the both sides. And this time around I'm going to continue stirring it to make sure that my chips do not get burnt. And finally I'm going to go ahead to use my sieve to take out my chips from the oil. And after I'm done taking out the chips, I'm going to place them on my kitchen towel to dry the excess oil on them. So after you are done taking out your chips from the oil, go ahead and repeat the same process with the rest of the chips. So guys, you can go ahead and enjoy your chips plain, or you can spice it up. And please guys, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, maybe today is your first time of coming across my channel, please do me a favor by clicking on that subscription button and also turn on your notification bell icon. So guys, see you guys in my next video. Have a wonderful day. Bye.